Oh my God. Oh my God. Was this a mistake? Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today, had a different video planned, but I've become fixated on this idea. I've been wanting to maybe switch up my brow shape a little bit. Straight brows are kind of in right now. I'll show you guys some of the inspo pics that I have in mind from some gals that I follow on Instagram versus what my eyebrows usually look like, which are very they're curvy and like a really prominent arch, and then the tail goes down. And I kind of want them to be more straight. And in order to do that, I'd either need to, block off my brows or, shave them. And I'm just ready to do it. I'm ready to switch things up. If I need to, I can just kind of refill them in the same way that I normally do. But I feel like I wouldn't be the end of the world if I cut off half of my brow. And it's hair. It grows back. So I have my face razor here. This one I specifically only use for my face. And I don't know, man. Let's just get into it. I'm not going in with any water or anything because I just feel like it's easier to brush the detached hairs away when it's dry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Was this a mistake? It's not that bad. In case anybody's wondering, this is the Gillette Fusion, not a sponsor, but it's got the 5 blades and it has a little like tiny blade on the back for trimming detail areas. We're leaving the front because I want some semblance of real natural hair to be there. Let's do this one. This eyebrow is my pride and joy. It has like such a beautiful arch, but bye-bye. I'm so excited. That doesn't even look too crazy. Like I could easily just, you can't even tell if I just have my hair like this. Really, I look totally normal. But then like if a gust of wind, I'm gonna pop some foundation on and kind of like the just base makeup, and then we'll be back and we'll fill these bitches in, honey. Baby. What do you think of my new eyebrows?
Why did you cut them off at the sides? Wait, did you shave them?
You didn't even notice. What do you look?
Your wing is longer than your eyebrow.
Do you see how he talks to me? Yeah, I'm doing a new eyebrow shape, and so I'm gonna draw in the tail, but I haven't gotten to that part yet. Alright guys, I have returned, and the makeup is on. Yes, these are huge wings, huge lashes, but hopefully it'll tie all together. I actually had a lot of fun doing my eyeshadow and my eyeliner because like without this other half of brow, I just feel like I had so much more room to blend. And even though the look is kind of extra, I think it turned out really cute. I do say so myself. So now for the fun part, we're going to be filling in the brows. They look so unsymmetrical right now. This one looks so low and that one looks rather high. So that's interesting. I think the best thing to use for this is going to be a pomade. This is KVD Super Brow Pomade. And there it is. I'm gonna grab a little brush just because I want to be a little bit more precise. Usually I like a nice wide brush, but this time I kind of feel like since I'm not 100% confident, I want to have that precision. I'm gonna start in my normal spot that I usually start, which is kind of right there, right above the iris or the pupil. Yeah, they're looking so crazily unsymmetrical right now. I need to add some more height to this guy right here. Okay, those are looking a little bit more symmetrical. Now for the crazy part. Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking. Because trying to get winged eyeliner to look symmetrical on both sides is hard, and I feel like this is going to be similar to that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm trying to drag this tail out so that it looks pretty angular. I don't want it to be curving down. I want it to be going kind of more out, but not too unnatural looking. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and say do not put your lashes on before doing brows, honey. It is a pain in the ass. Running into my first little issue here. I'm pretty dewy and I feel like it's making the product slip and slide around and not really fully stick right there. See that? Not good. Let's make sure that side is nice and set. We'll set that side a little bit more. Ooh, yes, mama. Okay, I'm going in with an eyeliner. This is just the best eyeliner of all time. Hank and Henry Slick with it in Blickety Black. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, 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 no. I'm gonna come back to that side. Let's just get this side going. Just gonna pop a little mascara in the front portion of this brow, which is the only portion that I have now. Okay. Oh, that helps so much. So again, we have my brows before, super curvy and angular, and the after. Ta-da! I think they look nice. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do they look different enough for this amount of hassle, or do you like my normal brows? I won't be offended. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Keep in mind though, before you do this, if you were thinking of doing it for yourself, it's pretty hard, pretty time consuming to fill in for the first time after shaving off the side. And for me, I don't know what I would have done without my black eyeliner because the pomade just was not sticking. So before you do it, maybe think about it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.